Here in JNTU, we are conducting a 2-day conference on retailing in India. In fact, several presentations dealing with several issues are being presented, and we could see that the student community, the academicians and the industry are very happy with the 2-day conference. As far as my presentation is concerned, it was on a step-by-step process of nurturing ethical values in retailing as well as in professionals. We could see that today retailing in India, they practice a lot of unethical behavior, and customer is not totally happy with the retailing sector in India. Though in India, retailing sector is considered to be the second largest employer. And our Mahatma Gandhi says, customer is our purpose. Customer is we should serve our customer very honestly. The reality is totally different. Now, there is a need to change this. The solution, one could be, the government has to have a system in place so that the retail, it takes into consideration the current work environment, the current conditions, global conditions, and frame policies in such a way they are conducive to the retailing sector and they don't practice lot of unethical behavior. That's one. Two, at the same time, the retailers and their employees, they also need to be more responsible. They need to nurture some ethical values in their life and see that the customer who is coming into their shop is getting one good quality product at the right price, and they should regain the confidence of the customer. Most of the time we see that customer comes to the shop and often the retailers don't even provide proper information to him, or they try to sell him some product which is not of much use to him. At the same time, we see that the salesmen who are there, they offer lot of products which are at sale to their friends and others. And from the management side, hardly any training is given to the salesman, and we see them with some broken English. Sometimes they do not have a shop etiquette, and the customer who is entering into every shop is most of the time unhappy. On the other hand, management philosophy says customer is our king. Now, customer is not treated as king, but he is treated as beggar in most of the time. A customer feels inferior when he goes to a retail shop. This should not happen. This should change. That is the reason why I said there is a need to nurture ethical values both in salesmen and the retailers, retail management, as well as establishment of a proper system in the government. Customers should not always think of buying a high quality product with few rupees. Often we Indians, we should develop an attitude that if I am paying 10 rupees, I should get I will be getting a product worth 10 rupees rather than I will get a product which is 100 rupees. We have to change our mentality, and this can happen only when this win-win situation, this attitude percolates to the entire urban and illiterate communities also. One of the things in my lecture was the step-by-step process of nurturing ethical values. Every human being from childhood, he has a certain value. For example, a value could be I take care of my parents, I love my country. There are one value which is very core to one's human being. For example, Harishchandra means Satya Harishchandra. Mahatma Gandhi means non-violence. they are not different, they are the same. In the same way, we all have one value which is born with us. The first thing is we have to identify that value, and second thing is we slowly have to nurture it. The way we nurture it is with time we'll try to read about it, we'll try to gain experience in situations in life, we'll try to apply that, and often there are situations in life when we'll find difficulty in applying it, but that is the time when we stick to our value and see that we pass the test. And at least there are quite a few times when I used to go to American consulate and try to be very honest, and even my visa used to get rejected because I could not produce false documents. Now this we are ready for such ethical tests, and when we pass it, what happens when we pass it? There are quite a few benefits that we reap when we are very ethical. As Narayan Murthy said, a clear consciousness is the best pillow. And when we are very good, we are following ethical values, we'll sleep well, we'll be happy, contented. Further, when we go, in fact, Bhagavad Gita, he speaks a lot about it is ethical values. In fact, it is a library of ethical values. Thank you very much.